So yeah, going back to the James topic. I still think that my icon makes, PewDiePie look manlier than James could ever look. I mean, could you imagine James' face on a buff man?
Hey
Be
look,
hideous.
hey look, hey look, I guess a Karibo actually logged on to Skype.
Wait,
Who?
what are you implying?
I'm implying that James looks like a Karibo.
Of course he looks like a Karibo. He has a big afro. That's what he is. He's just a humongous afro.
And he's also Afro Samurai, apparently.
He's not Afro Samurai. I mean, I know he's a nigger, but still.
Oh god.
We shouldn't make fun of, retards. It's not
And
nice.
then all the pogo sticks fell on James's head. That's turning into bounce pads.
Cyrus, you've been wanting to say something. Say it.
Wait, what?
You've been wanting to say something about my James icon. Come on. Out with it.
You're right. It does look manlier than Dumb Time. Just,
You know what's more sad? The fact that
Hmm.
James is a male. I feel so bad for those women that go and like, hey look! A lesbian goes up to him and says, oh hi. Oh wait, you're a guy? Ew! They walk away. They walk away and spill hot tea on his pee. Oh wait, he doesn't have one. He'll be fine, never mind.
Oh,
Let him just, sob in the corner for a few minutes. It's not anything new. Am I right?
Yep.
Carlos, what's your real opinion on James? Is he annoying?
Oh my god, I don't know.
I kind of don't like James because anything I say, he tries to
Insult.
replicate, and it's just like, hey, I did that first. Full
Yeah,
stop.
well, you gotta remember, James doesn't have a mind of his own. Anything he says, he's just following the crowd.
And I've been noticing a lot for like the few months. James has lied a lot.
James isn't a cool guy. Truth is, I hate the stupid fruit. I really
Huh?
hate him.
What do you mean?
Nah.
I don't like anything about him. He lies. He always tries to deceive his other friends behind other people's backs.
He depresses
James?
people.
He doesn't depress me. Well, okay, he does depress me, but only because he's classified as a man. That's what depresses me.
Though the one thing I remember is that one time where he depressed Mike severely. My god. That
Don't.
was-
Yeah, well, you know what? You know what?
my
that-
god.
That's the only reason why James is around, because he tries to depress other people even though he's depressed and can't get any, which is hence the reason he can't keep up a relationship.
Why does he make me think of Arch when I'm not even supposed to think of him like Arch? What?
Because
no,
he is.
screw
Going-
Mike. He's not the next Arch.
No,
Don't
no.
Tommy.
That's actually what I was saying. The second part where like I was actually thinking of James as Arch, but I'm like, no, I can't think of. I don't know what to think anymore. Fuck.
He's just an ass, and I don't like him.
I mean, he's nice, but like to other people, I've noticed he's been like, yeah.
He's just an ass. I
Uh-huh.
don't like the asshole. Besides Carlos, the only reason he's being nice to you is because he only cares about Mike. The only reason why he cares about Mike is because he has a huge, puckering asshole for him.
Oh God.
But honestly, I think that, Mike has a better shot at a female than James does, so that's why James feels obligated to go after Mike.
Yep.
He's like, I need someone that's just as desperate as me and, just chunks into the McDonald's all the time.
Now I gotta find the upgrade up for this thing.
What do you think, Cyrus? Do you really, honestly, in your heart, I mean, despite him being a nice guy and you can get along with him, do you really like him?
Wait, who? Don't, James or Mike?
James.
Ow. Ow, fuck. I didn't know that video would play automatically. Fuck.
He is nice at times, but from what I'm hearing, it's pretty messed up. So, yeah, I still don't trust him.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
God.
do you...
After
look,
that whole,
you
after that
can
whole-
get along with him, but do you like him is the question. You either like him or you don't like him.
okay, well,
You don't
exactly
ha-
what terms are we?
You
are
don't
we
have
talking
to, you
about?
don't have to like a person to get along with a person.
Okay, then, sexually, hell no.
I wasn't meaning sexually, even though James likes rape jokes.
As
That's
a
besides the
friend to a friend, do you like him?
Oh, okay.
You were
No,
pulling
not
out
really.
some weird bullshit nobody was carrying. I just had to make a statement.
God damn.
Where did
now that I
that come
understand-
from?
No.
What the hell?
Okay, now that I understand completely, no.
Oh, fuck.
Why?
Next time we say, hey, do you like this guy or not, we're saying, hey, do you want to fuck him? We're just saying, hey, I mean,
Oh, God.
this kid's a douchebag. Do you like him?
Do you like him enough to screw him?
I mean, I'm pretty sure, yeah, he's screwed a lot of people before, but
And things. And things.
I'm pretty sure he screwed a lot of people using power tools.
I'm sure that's what the only thing that probably works for him. He breaks everything else he sits on.
Of course.
I mean, did you see his self-respect? He sat on that and it broke in half.
And now we just need to lure Mike into this call.
Nah. I think this is good enough because, you know, I just feel like anyways, this recording is based actually on true facts, not an act. So, yeah, this is our opinion, and if you don't like it, well, go cry to your mommy then, or your little pony dick. I don't care.